Greetings. Today I'm here with Anabell Almazan, who's the president, founder, and owner of PCA Insurance Services in West Palm Beach, Florida. And Anabell specializes in working with contractors, trucking firms, and crane operators. And her philosophy is to help her clients develop a distinct competitive advantage using their insurance program. So welcome, Anabell, and I'm glad you could join us today.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the invite.
Okay, you ready to get started?
Yes, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So first of all, I'd like to ask you, you spent 10 years working with ADP, and I'm curious, and I'm sure the listeners are curious about how that helped you develop an understanding of business and how that experience helped you to transition into starting your own insurance agency.
Sure. Well, my time at ADP provide me with hands-on experience of the challenges business owners face, especially startup construction companies. One of the biggest challenges that contractors face here in Florida is workers' compensation. It's very confusing and a big hassle. Contractors don't understand how the rates are developed. They don't have the knowledge of the compliance issues and the correct classification codes for their operations. Workers' comp can make or break a contractor. The wrong classification codes and higher rates, an unexpected premium audit, an overcharge to cover uninsured subcontractors can create a cash flow deficit or make it impossible for contractors to get jobs or win profitable projects. My experience at ADP gave me the insights and an understanding of workers' compensation and how contractors operate. I saw the need for a specialized construction insurance solutions. And I also saw the need that contractors, they just don't need an insurance agent. They need somebody that specializes in construction and that understands their industry.
Yes, definitely. So I can see that, if you don't have the workers' comp nailed down, if you're a contractor, boy, that can put you really at a competitive disadvantage right out of the bat, right?
Absolutely. It's a snowball.
Yeah. So you left ADP, you started your own independent agency, insurance agency from scratch. And I'm wondering, a lot of business owners, they've started their own businesses from scratch. So what were some of the challenges you faced as a new business owner, and how did you go about meeting those challenges?
Oh, absolutely. It's been extremely challenging for sure. But after a couple of years of a lot of hard work, you start seeing the rewards, right? But it's just doing it, just jumping and just going for your dreams and for whatever your aspirations are, and just make a decision, right? Which is very challenging. In my case, the two biggest challenges that I faced when I was starting my independent insurance agency was getting the right agency appointments from insurance carriers and finding and hiring the right people. I think it's the same challenge that all business owners and contractors are facing right now. Working with the right vendors and suppliers and having great people who can deliver on your promises. A huge help for me in the beginning was getting insurance carriers appointments was through my professional alliances like the Florida Association of Insurance Agents. I realized from the beginning that getting professional help is so important. Even professionals who might be your competition are always willing to help. It's so important to talk and get advice from other people in your industry who have done what you're trying to do. There are so many things that you just don't know. And my takeaway for my clients and for everyone that is watching this video is to get help from the right professionals. Pick the brains of other people in your industry. And I discovered that true professionals are always willing to help.
Yeah, definitely. And I think that's really the case for any business. You got to have the right relationships and you have to have the right people in place.
Absolutely.
That's always those things always hold true. So next up, you work with contractors, you work with trucking operations, you work with crane operators. So why these types of businesses, and what are the big insurance challenges that these business owners face?
Sure. So, with my background and experience working with contractors, it was a no-brainer to focus on the construction industry. The reason why I focus on construction, truckers, and crane operators is because their industries are truly high risk. There is
Right.
not a lot of markets for them outside, and they truly need somebody that understands their industries. So through the years, I have earned the trust and build relationships with general contractors and builders, and they often refer business to me because they trust my expertise.
Right.
Trucking and crane operations are very similar to contractors. They know they must have the right insurance to compete, but coverages are very confusing, and finding insurance carriers willing to take the risk in insuring them and provide competitive rates, it is so challenging. Only a few markets are available. Uh, Contractors, they have a special coverage needs such as general liability, or they need coverage for equipment and materials on the job sites. Cyber and professional liability now are emerging insurance solutions that the contractors are needing. And business auto coverage for all contractors, truckers, and crane operators requires in-depth knowledge and great relationships with insurance carriers to offer insurance policies and competitive premiums, because trucking and crane operators are extremely high risk in the commercial auto market.
Right.
So at PCA, we have all those relationships and we can help those clients because since the beginning, we made sure that we got the carriers that were able to satisfy these industries that we concentrate on.
Okay. Okay. Now, how about, I know prompt service is also a big thing for you, and it's surely important for those types of businesses. Tell me a little bit about your service philosophy.
Sure. So, at the beginning, we listen and understand to the needs of our clients, and we only recommend the insurance solutions that their business needs and that will open the doors to get contracts faster.
Right.
Responsive service is essential for all of these businesses.
Right.
One of the big things that's key for all of our clients is the ability to have certificates of insurance issued quickly to qualify for new jobs and to get paid on time. Getting certificates of insurance issued fast is a top priority for us at PCA Insurance. We deliver certificates within the same day of request. We
Right.
understand the priority of certificates. It is a priority for our clients and it is a priority for ourselves. When our clients call, we pick up the phone. We
Yeah,
always try to be there for them.
I'm sure that's a big thing, and certainly something that really helps your clients because that can really hit their cash flow. So let's move on a little bit. You touched upon it here, but what makes you PCA Insurance Services stand out? Why do clients hire you? I know you have a very, clients stick with you. Over 95% of them renew each and every year. And so I'm wondering what's the secret sauce? Why do clients stick with you? And maybe
the
it's a little
C
bit more on that service part too.
Sure. I mean, again, repeating myself a little bit, we listen. We
Right.
don't we don't sell insurance. At my agency, we don't sell insurance. We're consultants. What's best for our client, that's what's best for us. But everything starts with them. We listen, we understand, we are there for them. We tell them the truth. We don't tell them what they want to hear. We tell them the truth. And based on the information that we provide them, the education that we give them, they make the right decision. So our clients, they feel safe with us because they know we are professionals and we only going to offer what they need. And they know that working with us, they will have the ability to get contracts faster, to have the right insurance policies for their business. They know that they can trust us with their business solutions. And our clients are busy. When they call or make a request, they do it for a reason. They need answers and responses now. We concentrate on doing the basics of client service constantly. It is simple. It sounds simple, but it's not easy. It is a daily challenge, and we're always looking for ways to improve. This year, we are investing in significant resources in our staff and new hires, in training and technologies to continue to deliver superior service for our clients. Our clients see us as their professional advisors. They see us on the same level that they see their CPA, their banker, or their attorney. We try to provide, and we don't try, we provide proactive service and advice. We help our clients to make informed, smart decisions, considering the risk and investment in potential increased insurance requirements. Like when they come to us and they tell us that they have new contracts and they will need to increase their insurance, we will ask them all the time these questions. Is this new project or business expansion worth the increased risk and additional insurance costs?
Right.
Will this new project or relationship with this general contractor will lead to more profitable jobs? So before they want to make a decision like this, we ask them these questions so they can evaluate if it's the right investment for them. And that truly helps our clients. And at the end of the day, like I said, we're not selling them anything. We are here to support them and consult them in order for them to make the right decisions based on the information that we provide them. So that's what make PCAs stand from everyone else, because we don't do what's the right thing for us. We do what's best for our client.
Yeah, and that certainly fits into that competitive advantage philosophy where, geez, the business owners are there. You're giving them the information they need, which it sounds simple to do, but it's not easy because maybe they don't want to hear some of the things that you
Exactly.
have to say to them sometimes, because it may be a bitter pill to swallow to say, geez, here's the dangle of this big project, but here's the extra expense to be able to do that additional project or that big project. So yeah, I think that's a really smart way to go about doing it. I'm sure it's something that your clients appreciate. So that's
Absolutely.
great
Because at
stuff.
the end of the day, like you said, the truth is really hard to swallow. And when you're a business owner, a lot of people are not willing to tell you the truth
Yeah.
because they want your business,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So our mission is to support our clients as their business grow.
Right.
Our logo at PCA is that when our clients are successful, we are successful as
Yeah.
well. So we're
Definitely.
a team.
Yeah.
They're not my client, or I don't work for them. They don't work for me. We are a team, and we all grow together.
That's a great way to view it. So that kind of leads into the next question. What's next for PCA and your business? How will you continue to grow? How will you help your clients to grow and serve your clients? What do you see happening?
Sure. So, well, in addition to hiring new staff and adding technologies to better serve our clients, we are focusing on earning referrals from our best clients. I learned a lot working with contractors, and I'm seeing many of my clients having success and growing. Some of our clients see an increase in their revenues within 6 months of working with us. These growing contractors have changing and different insurance needs. When they grow and are more staff and grow bigger, they get more complex projects. Their risk and insurance needs change. So as they grow, we grow alongside them. Many times, more comprehensive insurance coverages and higher liability limits are required for larger projects. Managing workers' compensation becomes a key concern. Here at PCA Insurance, in my case, as the principal agent, I am always educating myself on what's new in the industry. I'm always getting certifications in order to be more knowledgeable about what I do and trespass that information to my clients. So we're always getting better. We're always getting certification. We're always going to conferences that will help us to be better advisors for our clients. And that's what's next for us. Continue to help our clients, continue to gain knowledge in the industry, not only getting certifications, but we also learn a lot from our clients and all the situations that they encounter with their business. That's a learning experience as well for us. And, just continue to see in our agency providing knock of your sock service
Mhm.
combined with professional advice that positions our clients and ourselves to have a competitive advantage in our markets.
Yeah, very good. Well, that's great. I think that's definitely one of the things. It sounds like you're committed to growing right alongside your clients, and
Absolutely.
the success of your clients means success for your business, which is a great philosophy to have.
Absolutely.
So I appreciate your time here, Anabell. And so, in summary, for clients who are looking, potential clients who are looking to gain that competitive advantage and have an insurance, have an advisor that they trust, that they can work with, that they can grow with, what would you say would be the next step? What would
Sure,
you advise them to do?
absolutely. If you can click on the link below, you can schedule some time with me and we can see if we're a fit for each other and we can go from there. So just click on the link below to schedule a time with us and hopefully we can work together and see if we are a fit for each other.
Okay, very good. Again, click the link below and connect with Anabell and go from there. Thank you.